up, DB gang? So today I'm going to be unboxing some Beauty Forever hair. Now Beauty Forever do have their own Amazon store as well as on Aliexpress, and this hair was purchased off of the Aliexpress store. So on the front of the box, you have all of their social medias, you know, their pretty logo, and as well as on the back of the box, you also have some hair care maintenance. Now, when you guys open your package, it do come with some goodies. So you do receive some lashes as well as 3 bundles. I did get 3 bundles of some deep wave hair in the inches of 22 inches. So that's my 3 bundles right here. It all comes in this plastic Ziploc bag, as well as my closure. Now my closure is 20 inches, and this is also a deep wave closure. I know some people were saying how they couldn't get a closure to match their bundles, but my closure is a deep wave closure. Hopefully you guys can see that, but that does says deep wave DW 20 inches, as well as 3 bundles of deep wave 22 inches. Now I'm just basically going to take my closure out of the packaging. Now guys, when you do take out your closure do have a hairnet on it. So this is the wave pattern of the closure. Hopefully you guys can see that. But it's a beautiful wave pattern. The hair is extremely soft, and I'm getting no snags, no tangles as I run my hand through this hair. For the bundles, they do have a rubber band. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it do have a rubber band around it to keep the bundles from sliding in the plastic. So I'm just going to take my bundles out of this plastic. So like I stated before, all of the hair do come in a hairnet. So I'm just going to take it off. But I want to show you guys how the bundles look. They're very full. So this is all 3 bundles out of the pack. Now I'm just going to show you how one bundle looks individually. Now this is how one bundle looks individually. Now I know you guys are saying, wait, hold on, this bundle looks super thin. Trust me guys, when you guys co-wash this or shampoo this hair and let it air dry, you will see how full these bundles are. The bundles look very small because it was in a seal tight plastic baggie. So you guys do not have to be alarmed that y'all got some thin bundles. Trust me, the bundles are very full. And like with the closure, this here is super soft. Super soft. I'm running my hands through it, and I am not getting any type of snag, any type of tangling. The hair is so soft and pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, this is how the hair looks after I just finished finger combing it. Now I'm going to show you guys how I shampoo and condition all 3 bundles and a closure before I bleach and make my wig. So stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I'm going to be using to bleach and watercolor my hair. So for that tutorial, I'll be doing in a separate video because I do not want this video too long. But I want to lift all 3 bundles and a closure to a really almost platinum blonde, so close to maybe a 613 color. So this is why I have my 40 developer, I have my BW2 bleach, as well as some silicone mix. The reason why I bought the silicone mix is because I'm going to be leaving, and y'all, I hope I do not mess this up, but I'm going to be leaving the developer on my bundles and my closure for 45 minutes. So after the bleach has been on the, you know, the hair for that long, I want to go in with you know, pretty much a deep treatment to, you know, get the hair back soft and stuff like that. So this is why I'm going in with my silicone mix. Now the two colors I'm going to be experimenting with doing this watercolor is Violet Gem and Purple Rage. If you guys want to, you know, bleach your bundles, go ahead and get all your products, so when I upload my video, you guys can do the watercolor method. So guys, I'm going to be using my Organics Argan Oil Shampoo, as well as my Organics Coconut Curls Conditioner. I do have my bucket of, you know, warm to cool water. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to dip the bundles in first. And the reason why I'm washing my bundles before I make my wig is because whatever coating it is on the bundles, I want all of that off, because trust me, when you wash your hair before installing it, the hair feels, it just feels different. Like, it feels more soft, it feels more bouncy. So this is why I'm washing my bundles before I make my wig. And not that, you know, the hair has any type of corn chip smell, because it don't have any smell at all. I just wash my bundles or condition my bundles before making my wig. So I'm just gonna basically pour some shampoo inside the bucket and, you know, swirl it around. Pretty much like I'm doing the watercolor method. And as y'all can see how long these bundles are. As I can see, it curls right back up. Right back up. And this is my closure. Now with this, you want to be very careful. And this is a 3-part closure. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's how much shedding I got from that closure. But it did get a little cloudy, so whatever coating that was on the hair was washed off. So I'm going to empty this water out, and I'm going to come back and show you guys how it looked with the conditioner in. So guys, I did rinse out all my bundles with cold water, and I'm just applying the Coconut Curls conditioner to each bundle. This is how the curl pattern looked after I done detangled them and added the conditioner. So I'm going to let this conditioner sit in the hair for 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks once the hair is rinsed out. This is how the bundles and the closure looks after I finish shampoo and conditioning the hair. Everything that I listed in this video will be down below in the description box. So guys, don't forget to check out that box, and I will also link where you guys can purchase this hair. Now this is Brazilian deep wave hair. I do have 3 bundles of 22 inches, and I have a 20-inch closure. So guys, definitely stay tuned for the bleaching process as well as the watercolor process. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.